are going to the Casa de Jade for a workshop. So we were here 3 years ago. Little did we know that we would come back and do a workshop, and here we are today. So first we're doing the tour of the museum. I think we're the only ones doing it. That's so cool.
But I think that when you listen the word of jade, you often think in the green color, right? Okay. But in Guatemala, actually we have several colors and each one has a different meaning. But in this case, the Mayan people and the Mayan culture 2,000 years ago worked by using two jade colors. Only the black and the green. Only these two, okay?
Black's my favorite color.
Yeah? On October 22nd, 1988, the Hurricane Mitch arrived to Guatemala. And this hurricane washed the surface, washed the mountains, and after the natural disasters, we discovered the white, lavender, and sky blue. Since 1998, there's no more lavender, no more sky blue, and no more white.
There's no more.
No, all gone. In 2005, the orange jade appeared on the surface.
Okay.
But the orange, nowadays, it is the second rarest color in the world, and the second most expensive. And the number one, the very best, is the imperial green jade. That kind of a bright emerald green, that vibrant, is the number one and the very best.
Very expensive to imagine.
Yeah, it's the most expensive actually.
Yeah.
For the Mayans, the jade was the stone of heaven. And that's the reason why it's so important to Guatemala, you know, because of its legacy. When the people died, they actually used to be buried with a piece of jade in their mouth because it was a kind of a payment to get into heaven, like the Greeks or Egyptians by using the gold coins on the eyes. Mayans, by using a piece of jade, the stone of heaven, in their mouth, represented the same idea. Passport to the next life. Main source is located in Antigua Guatemala. Nowadays, all the jade comes from this region. In the Mayan times, the jade came from the same location because there is a geological fault. And the Mayan jade occurs between three tectonic plates more, because the creation of jade occurs 10 miles underground, and the vibration of the tectonic plates, the pressure, creates and pushes the jade stone to the surface until we get a rock stone like this.
Oh.
So is this how they made the rock?
It's how the Mayans used to work with. They used to cut by using just the leather and the copper, sand and the water, and it was all about friction. After that, they used to carve the stone by using a chisel, like this, you know, and a hammer. And all the chisels were made by using wood, leather, and the black jade. Black jade is the strongest of jade. And, well, in this case, the drills were made by using the same materials. It is basically the same structure. So we have wood, we have leather, and jade on top, but in this case they used to twist. There you go.
It's this one.
For making holes. It's like making fire, you know?
Yeah.
Finally, they used to polish by using just the wood and the animal.
Just this piece of wood? Wow.
We have right here a collection of replicas or reproductions. It's everything made here from the Olmecs, which is a modern civilization. Mayans, which is the great Mesoamerican empire. We have diamond drills, we have diamond blades, all the diamond equipment. Most of the jewelry stuff that we have in the store is made here. By using the diamond drills, diamond blades, and the sandpaper, water, and diamond powder to polish it correctly. This is how a Mayan burial used to be. Because all the noble class and the wealthy people used to be buried like this with all the jade decoration on top, like the crowns or the pectorals, bracelets, rings, you know?
But only the wealthy.
Only the wealthy, there you go.
But everyone was buried with the jade in their mouth.
As you can see.
So that's black jade.
It's green.
So they would just put it with the open mouth.
For the burials, so head to the east and the feet to the west, following the sunrise. For the Mayans, the seashells represented the connection between the water and the underworld. Clay represented earth and life, and jade represented heaven, like the tree of life, you know? You can see the tree of life.
But there's nothing in the center.
Well, that's the body. It's just what the things that are basically they were buried with. That were important for the burial.
The wealthy people
Had more
used to be buried like this.
Okay.
With all the jade treasures. Of course, this is a representations, because real sarcophagus were like huge rooms, entire rooms of all treasures. This is just a representation.
So you have to choose
Between the different color that you want.
So that's the black one, Luca.
Oh, but it looks great.
This
one has
is
nice
like
shade.
an example how it is going to be foliage, so you can see.
Wow.
So it's gonna look shiny after.
You need to be patient. So yeah,
This is wonderful for you.
almost like an hour and a half if they make it correctly. 1 hour or less.
Okay.
I picked the egg.
The egg. Okay.
So with the
see that
pencil, you're gonna trace it.
You put it over it, yeah.
Yeah, a little
There.
bit strong. 2 or 3 times you trace it. So Luca, this is gonna be for you. You're gonna use an air.
Yes.
You need to cut this line and then this line in the 2 corners.
Oh god.
Take away that.
This is gonna be hard.
That's your
Yours is
challenge
gonna be
today.
easy. The reason is a little bit thin or not too thick.
What is the hardest shape to make? Like that takes the longest?
The cross
The
and
cross?
the circle.
The circle.
Yeah,
Okay.
because sometimes you can lose a little bit the shape and we need to start over.
So the heart is not hard?
No, it's the most easy.
Oh, there you go. Is anybody making a heart?
I'm making a
Oh, good job.
We're gonna use diamond to cut it. The reason jade is more stronger than iron. That means that you're not gonna cut yourself. Those machines are about diamond too.
So this is usually the machine you use to cut diamonds.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you a headphones in a moment, but I want to show you this. But if you can hear,
Why does it not cut you?
the reasons our muscles are soft, so jade is like a strong.
Oh,
material.
it's like the thing that cuts the cast. Also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you
Because
put
you're-
like your teeth, it's gonna cut it.
Yeah.
But,
Or your bone, if you put your bone there.
It's because yeah, your skin can stretch, but the rock can't stretch. It's like going like.
you can see it.
Oh, look at that.
And it's real diamond, so diamond is more easy to find out than jade.
Oh.
Jade is difficult.
So wait, is this to smooth it out?
Here we're gonna give the shape, and then we're gonna use 3 sandpapers to take out the scratches and make it smooth.
Oh, wow. It's amazing that it looks like this. And you're like, eh. And then it looks all shiny.
And here is a mask. I take 14 days to make it.
Oh my gosh. And how long does it take for this?
Hour and a half.
Oh, you look like professionals now. Wait, I gotta take a photo of this.
But we're gonna use only the yellow wheel right now. You need to be at the line of what you trace it. So.
Oh, so you just changed the...
This is the last one that we're gonna use.
Oh, okay.
So you can see the grid here and the grid here.
Ah.
Does it hurt if you put your finger?
He wasn't,
Yeah.
I think he was afraid. Were you afraid?
A little bit.
Here you need to make pressure the most as you can here. You're gonna polish the bottom and the back. And here at the sides, slowly. Almost like 6-7 minutes per face.
So I can't use the side? I can't? Or
You do it, but slowly, gently. So you can see. And here, slowly. 4 or 5 minutes per face. Here you can see you need a little bit more. Here at the back, let it check the other side. And here, the same. Here and here.
What do you want to do?
yeah, I think a necklace.
I think if you do a necklace, he needs to put a hole in it. So you kind of have to decide.
Right now is the moment.
Yeah.
I think it looks pretty good.
Necklace?
Yeah. And it's not.
Where you want to put the hole? Here, here.
Right here.
Okay.
Oh, see, you know what you want. For every step, you always have to have water.
Yeah, the
Why?
reason can breaks. The jade can breaks
If you don't have water?
Yeah, it's gonna get hot too much and you can break.
Oh.
Oh, that's time.
Here is
Is that loud?
we're gonna keep working on this. We're gonna change the sandpaper.
Okay. Oh, the final one.
After this sandpaper, we're gonna use leather and aluminum dioxide to get it shiny as possible.
Okay.
So here, this is the most important. You're gonna spend almost like 6 or 7 minutes. Included can be almost 10. Needs to be like shiny, or like not
So on each side.
on each side.
It looks like a rock. Like a skipping rock?
Here, give me a second. This is water, but
Oh.
this is aluminum dioxide.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, that's the reason that you can see why the water.
Oh, okay, okay.
So
and it
for-
helps for polishing?
Yeah.
Okay.
First, you're gonna put out the water. This is leather and aluminum dioxide. Do you want to be shiny as possible? So it's gonna get more and more shiny.
Oh, wow, look at that.
About the friction, it's gonna get hot. You put out the water to cool off and repeat the process.
So Luca's broke, but it was they glued it back together. But he gets to pick another one to take home, and he can't decide.
So I thought you wanted a circular one though.
Oh, yeah, really good. I want to see if there's maybe a really shiny.
So right now,
yes.
we need to leave it almost like 1 hour.
Okay.
Don't touch it.
Okay.
Then you can touch it. But
Okay.
we're gonna make the knot and put a ring.
Glue it back together.
And we got like a special glue. It can be like right now, okay?
Oh, he broke it?
Yeah,
Because I think it was too thin, right?
a little bit. I was polishing, so it breaks in
The
half.
friction. It's okay.
I already told you that we use water always. The reason,
Yeah. Yeah. Now, see that? Now we learn why.
Why do you need water?
Breaks can happen.
See,
And then also,
but this broke with the water anyway.
Yeah, but
You're
about
too
the
strong.
friction, yeah.
also it gets really hot, the thing, so it
Yeah.
helps also with it being hot.
Yeah, and also it can change the color if it burns.
Oh.
Like here it can change to like yellow or white.
What is that? Oh, it's like the tree of life.
And here we got another. I'm gonna give you options.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. This could be a pretty good necklace. Just like with the hole right
That's
here.
a very big
That's a
necklace.
big necklace, Luca.
You can choose the color of the stitching. And then in here we got some rings. If you want to put it, it's okay. But if you want to put only leather, it's okay too.
That one with the. Do you want
Wait,
the little
can
ring?
we put a ring too?
This is wax.
Wax.
Yeah, from a candle.
Oh, and what do you do that for?
I'm gonna give you a gift. Do you want to polish your ring? Takes 15 seconds.
Oh, sure. Oh, you clean it. That's a piece of wax.
Oh, look how shiny it is again.
We need to clean it and it's gonna be better.
So the polishing, this is the last step actually.
Yeah. cut it with the notch. You can make it bigger and smaller.
Cosimo is still working on it.
Yeah.
Let me see the replacement you got for the one that broke. Wow, look at that.
Yeah, better.
If someone asks, is this actual jade? We have proof.
It's real jade, it's not fake.
Look at that.
And you carved it.
The bag.
Look at the bag.
You want to put yours here too? Yeah, I'll put it.
We just finished. It's really cool. I think everybody liked it, although the boys are walking ahead of us.
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
What did
Turn this way.
No, straight. What did you like about it?
Making the jade.
Okay. Luca, did you like it? Now Luca's focused on the next step, which is going home.
Luke had a very good time though.
What did you like about it, Emma?
I liked it. I had no clue what was going to happen next.
It was a lot of...
I was like, wait, I get to make it into a necklace? Okay. I thought I just
That
got
was
to
cool.
have a heart.